Today I want to talk to you about triangles. A lot of these properties you're probably already familiar with, but just in case, all the angles of a triangle add up to be 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that equals 180 degrees. Also, the shortest side is always opposite the smallest interior angle, as well as the longest side is always opposite the largest interior angle. There are three types of triangles. We have the scalene triangle. The scalene triangle has sides all different lengths, and all the interior angles have different measures. We have the equilateral triangle, where all side lengths are equal and all interior angles are equal. And then we also have the isosceles triangle, where two sides have the same length and two equal interior angles. Now, something else that I want to talk about is if you are asked to determine if three side lengths make up a triangle. So how to determine if three side lengths make a triangle. So here are the properties. I'm going to, if this is angle A, I'm going to say this is side A. If this is angle B, I'm going to call that side B. And if this is angle C, I'm going to call that side C. So the property is that the sum of two of the sides of the triangle has to be greater than the third side. So side A plus B has to be greater than C. Or, well, also, side A plus side C has to be greater than side B. Also, side B plus C has to be greater than side A. And if all three of these are true, then your three lengths that you are given will make a triangle. So for example, if we have this triangle right here, and I'm going to say this is side A, and I'm going to say that that's 7. I'm going to say this is side B, and I'm going to say this is 10. And then this is side C, and I'm going to say this is 13. To determine if this is actually a possible triangle, we're going to use the three formulas up here. We're going to substitute it in and see if it's true. So for the first one, the first statement, it's A plus B. So 7 plus 10 has to be greater than C, which is 13. Well, 7 plus 10 is 17. That is greater than 13, so that is true. Okay. The next, A plus C has to be greater than B. So A is 7 plus C, which is 13, has to be greater than B, which is 10. Well, 7 plus 13 is 20. That is greater than 10, so that is also true. So far, so good. The next one, side B plus C, so 10 plus 13 has to be greater than A, which is 7. So 10 plus 13 is 23. That is greater than 7, so that is true. So therefore, in conclusion, this triangle with side lengths 7, 10, and 13 is a possible triangle.